leaving the parking lot and getting ready to go inside and have an incredible evening with Jimmy Buffett and the Eagles. And leaving. What is this thing called again? I think this is the best internet name ever. Saltwater Hippie. That is the best name ever. Well, it's time to start working the way up so I can sit down, because it's better to sit down than fall down, which is how I feel right now. I'm kidding, everybody. I'm not that tore up. I'm just leaving the parking lot area, enjoying some brew. I learned a little bit of parking lot etiquette, tailgating etiquette today. Had a pretty good time, but I don't want to have too much of a good time. And I think I'm going to head on up to the front, because it's about 2 hours before showtime. And I want to show you guys a little bit of the music, or let you hear a little bit of the music. Don't know how it's going to come out, because I'm carrying my cell phone without my gimbals and everything else. Going to try and keep the video as steady as possible. But I'm holding the telephone with one hand because I got a beer in a koozie. I got a koozie, guys, in the other hand. Anyway, let's head inside the Citrus Bowl, or as it's known now, Camping World Stadium. So right when you enter the gate of the Citrus Bowl, yes, I'm still going to call it the Citrus Bowl, there is a concert merchandise sitting right up there. And would you look at the line of these people that want to buy t-shirts? You know what? Should I? I mean, it is Jimmy Buffett and the Eagles. The merchandise should probably be pretty amazing. And I got 2 hours. I'm 2 hours early, so I don't think this is a 2-hour line. Before we go into the show, since there was a merchandise thing there, and I waited in line, and I got a shirt. It's a really nice one. I'll show you guys in a little bit. But I didn't only buy myself one. If you watch my other video of the parking lot funness and tailgating, there was somebody that's really amazing, giving away lots of rum, lots of tequila, lots of beer, and won't take any money for it. I know, right? So I went ahead and bought them a shirt. So I'm leaving the concert area and I'm heading back out into the parking lot, and I'm gonna give this dude a shirt. I mean, he treated me right with those flamingos. Yeah, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch the other video. I can't believe you stopped. I was gonna walk up and touch cameras because you were like, you were like shooting me, I thought. Okay, so let's find this guy. Where's he at? He's down here somewhere. Amazing, friendly people in the parking lots. Even the police. I mean, look at the police on their motorcycle. Enjoying the day. Life in Orlando. Here we are. Here we are. And the dude in the pink pants over here.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes. And look at the free food. No, look at that food. I didn't get you one, but you guys have been so nice to me and gave me a free beer.
Yeah.
You weren't here earlier. So, well, you guys get a free shirt. You wouldn't take money. So I went inside real fast, grabbed you a shirt. I didn't grab two. They're kind of pricey. But there, take it. Take it off my hand.
I can't take.
Why?
Because it's too generous of you.
Oh my God. Crazy. So they do something nice for you and give you some shots out of a pink flamingo. You figure, okay, well, you know what? I'm going to do something really nice back and get them one of these concert t-shirts. Eagles, Jimmy Buffett. Run it over here. Then they do something else nice and make you a pulled pork sandwich. Things are never equal.
We got Mr. Robert Greenwich on the pants, Ralph McDonald on. burnt down shanty. One for California, two One mouth, two tilt.
It's about time to start heading in. I've done my good deed, and they did a good deed back. But before I head in, it's kind of like when you go to the movies. You know, you drink a little bit too much, and in the middle of the movie, you have to get up and leave, and you want to enjoy the show. Well, you don't want to get up in the middle and leave. You kind of want to enjoy the show. So I'm going to try and knock everything out before I get into the show. So that means a trip to the latrines. Trapped in the bathroom. And there's a line of people out there wanting to come in here. They want to use these facilities. Hear them out there? They're waiting. Let's scare them. Here we go. Woo! Do not go in there. Dora the Explorer's grandfather. Buddy, we are in. You know what was amazing? It's been a long time since I've been to a concert, but nowadays Ticketmaster sends you a QR code type thing. You just pull the QR code up on your telephone, they scan it, you walk right in. How awesome is that? I mean, it sucks for people that collect concert tickets, but if you don't really care about saving your concert tickets, this QR code is amazing. Since I'm a little bit early within the concert area, everyone's just now starting to enter. I'm a little bit thirsty, a little bit parched, and I'm not exactly sure where to go, but I do know that I need something to drink. And yeah, I'm not driving, I'm Ubering, so I could drink whatever. And the only way to find out where there is adult beverages is you look for the crowds. If you want a beer, look for the crowd. That's where they're hanging out. Mission accomplished. Would you look at that? Look at that. Mission is accomplished. Let's go find our seat. That is insane. Look at that. Up the escalator, overlooking the city beautiful, Orlando, Florida. Yes. Would you look at this? Out into the sun. Look at that opening shot. Would you guys look at that sunset right over the arena. Okay, I'm not exactly sure how this is going to record this evening or later this afternoon, but it looks like we got a pretty good view of the stage and a beautiful Florida sunset. I'm really happy that I got here so early because it is already starting to get packed, and that gives me time to indulge in some adult beverages and just watch the stadium fill up. Listen to John Denver. You guys know how much I love John Denver. Anyway, so yeah, we're here a little bit. No, I love John Denver. They know that I was listening to The Greatest Hits the other day when I was driving. Yeah.
I thought you were being sarcastic because you very rarely find somebody who really likes John Denver.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Duh. Who doesn't like it's singing, driving music?
Yeah.
That's the way I feel.
Excuse me, General.
It's okay. Talk. I'm trying to come up with content. Anyway, so yeah. So we get to kick back, listen to the pre-music, drink some adult beverages, and look at that view. I mean, right behind the stage you get Lake. That's not Lake Yola, but it's beautiful just the same. So we get a beautiful backdrop of the concert stage with the lake, sunset. It pays to come in a little bit early. Otherwise, you're passed out in the parking lot in a hammock.
I took off for a weekend last month. I tried to recall the whole year. All of the faces, all of the places, everyone where they all disappeared. I didn't want the questions too long. I was hungry and went up for baby bite. Ready to chug with the bottle of rum. Wound up in Orlando on Saturday night. Changes in attitude, changes in attitude. Nothing remains quite the same. Through all of my money and all of my honey, we couldn't laugh, we were all always the same. Only I could go wrong with these changes in attitude, changes in attitude. Nothing remains quite the same. Through all of my money and all of my honey, we couldn't laugh, we were all always the same. If we couldn't laugh, we were all always the same. If we were not crazy, we would. Oh, it's Thank you. Good afternoon. Sunny, beautiful Florida day. And we can see the whole crowd. That's cool. We've been thinking about this and talking about this because there's a lot of history that's brought us to this point. 40 years ago, we were opening for the Eagles Hotel California tour. Which
You were here?
I was here.
She was there.
So, party on, everybody.
Party on, Garth. Party on, Wayne.
Going over to New Orleans, we want to bring that Grove in over on Highway 90 or I-10 right now. Pixel Kid Mustard. Jazz fest around the corner. Hey now, we take the movies and old black and white. Happy endings where nobody fights. So if you find yourself in that nice Saturday rain, honey, jump right up, show your age. I wish I had a piece of your mustache. Sing along. John Bubble from Pelican, Florida, over that circle right there. Yeah. All right. This little song that we wrote about, I don't know, 10, 15 years ago when we did the video right here in Orlando over at Universal, and we had to find some fruitcakes in Orlando. That really wasn't a problem. So, in memory of that, and let's say the song never changed theme, except you can always change the characters in a play, so I did a little bit of a special one for tonight. So, any fruitcakes in the audience out there who were part of that video? Any fruitcakes we got out in that audience who wasn't part of that video? We're We're back in Orlando with your song. We got the Weekie West Mermaids in here somewhere, I know, yeah. It's been a crazy year. I'm just back from Puerto Rico, and things are better there. Yeah, everybody's helping out, that truly is a fact. Muchas gracias, Jose and Mango. The island's coming back. Oh my God! She said, you got to do your fishing. Now, pop up half the rent. I treat my body like a temple. You treat yours like a tent. But
Apparently we need to move down a little bit.
A little?
It's not going on my beach. Saying such my insanity. It's no other way. It's a jungle out there, kidding. Have a very fruitful day. In the day of Instagram and news technology runs through space, a lot of people know that I got a new boat I'm out testing on right now. So for any of you who might have sailed into the show tonight and your land yachts or your regular yachts, there's some sail for you, right? With double 12-string guitar. There she is. I went out on the Seabury mansion, expanding the view of the captain and crew like a man just released from a adventure. As he remembered dreams and a traveling man, I chalked down the mailbox. Went back to the books, like he was a crook, held around like a broken their style. Son of the sun, son of the sun, son of the son of the Savior, son of a gun, rode the last gun, one step ahead of the chain. We might up to Caroline Jones to come back up and help us out with this next song. Come on up, Caroline. A song I wrote about the first day of the week. This will come Monday and be all right. Be over your hangover by then, I hope. Heading up to San Francisco for the Labor Day weekend show. I got my hush puppies on. I guess I never was meant for glitter, rock and roll. Honey, I didn't know that I could miss it so much. this is a little song that I'm doing right now. It's kind of a special song. Played a great Friday night with neighbors and friends for a long, long time. And we lived next door to each other out in Old Stone, Colorado. And somewhere one night when we were there in Nashville, we wrote a song about people that took care of houses when we were on the road. And those of you who may have driven in, flown in, or paddleboarded in here tonight, long things that you cherish, and most of all, it's like your brother-in-law is going to watch you. He just got out of rehab. This is going to be your song tonight. So, hello, Cindy. So long, boss. Don't worry about a thing. I wish that we could come on. We love music. Them ocean bags are like a biscuits by home. Me and Stick were watching waves and treat like home. Look at all this liquor. Look at all that. It's all gone for the place we're not really meaning. But the good stuff's in his closet. I swear with my mouth. Hey, I really sure like all. I do it all the time. They're gypsies in Paris. Left us here alone. For another sleepless night. Okay. So we also have a good friend, Mr. Mac McInerney. 10 times she made musician of the year. This is far. That might not help you. Anyway, I'm going to let him introduce the song because he also does great impressions. He sings
I heard Mac does a really good Donald Duck.
There's all kinds of ways not to know what time it is. I'm from Mississippi. He never had to know what time it is. Alan Jackson told Marco Island.
It's past 5 o'clock. Come on. Yeah, it is not 5 o'clock somewhere. Come on, Mac.
Sun is hot, and that old clock is moving slow.
But so am I.
Workday passes like molasses in the wintertime.
Hey, but it's
July. Getting paid by the hour, no by minute. My boss just pushed me over the limit. I'd like to call it something, but I think I just call it a day.
pour me something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go and sing. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Up there in the lawn section of the
Well, this lunch break is gonna take all afternoon. After night,
Tomorrow I know that there will be hell to pay. Hey, but that's alright.
I've been on vacation. It ain't here. It's the homies for me. You can just tell myself away.
Pour me something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go and sing.
it's only 12:30, but I don't care. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. I can pay off my tab, pour myself in the cab, and be back to work before 2. And have
o'clock somewhere.
I think it's been 5 o'clock since about 8 o'clock this morning. Tailgate party night.
Tailgate!
I know it's 5 o'clock over here. Right up there. I climb up and say, there's a back right here, huh? These people are way ahead of me in the first department up here, I believe. Well, maybe we should have a little bit of that'll try. Make sure they go. One thing after that, I'm real hungry. I'm smelling the grill has been coming in. Cheeseburgers. How would you like yours prepared? Good God, which way do I steer? Cheeseburger. What do we do next? I don't know. What do we do next? No.
I don't know where I'm gonna go when the volcano blows.
I need to hear.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where I'm gonna go when the volcano blows.
That's the time of the waves out on the sea. Somewhere smoke rolling in the sky. I think some people in this crowd got high.
You think?
Rapidly for a song now over to the Florida-Alabama state line. Now for Nita Band, a couple of time. So we got a lot of great bars like that around here over in Deer Beach, over in Daytona, anyway, so we're got some natural bars which will inspire people to write songs about bars. So here's our band. I hope you got them to. We're going to the Bama Breeze right now. People that drove all the way from Mobile to the show tonight, so we're looking at y'all. Here we go.
At the Bama Breeze,
You can shoot some pool
out there.
At the memories you can rest here down there. Are you like a cheer down there? That's another year down there.
Jimmy got caught smoking a joint out behind the bar. Sitting in his car and they took him to jail. Yeah, the tip jar paid his bail. In 1984, Mick Jagger passed through town, bought the house around.
On the latest bathroom stall. Yeah. And the family, I turned 21 down there.
With a fake ID and a short enough skirt. Figures what the hell could it hurt?
Here on your hands, sing screaming slow. Yes, you're in the toe. Kids are not in the ball. You're one of our own down there. You never drink alone down there. Well, we're not doing that song right now. We're going next. I just put the glasses up for a minute and I lost it. Oh, Zach Brown, yeah.
Zach?
We're knee deep in it now. I'm sorry about that. Just rewind that tape right now.
Zach Brown.
Going away for the minute. Get down on living in the sunshine. Gonna wash my blues away. My sweet love, I'm lost. Got to go to the water. I'm lost in the world trying to find me a better way. Help me out here.
Wishing I was knee deep in the water somewhere. Got a blue sky breeze blowing, don't seem fair. Only worry in the world, gonna reach my chair. Sunrise and the fire in the sky. Never been so happy, never felt so high. And I think I might have found my own kind of paradise. Woo! Bought a boat in a minute. Bought a boat and I sailed off in it. Don't think anybody's gonna miss me anyway. I'm on permanent vacation. Ocean is the only medication. Ocean recognition and never gonna go away. I was knee deep in the water somewhere. Got the blue sky breeze blowing wind through my hair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair. Deep in the water somewhere, got a blue sky breeze blowing wind through my hair. Only worry in the world is the tide gonna reach my chair. Sunrise is a fire in the sky, never been so happy and it felt so right. And I found me my own kind of paradise. And the water's nice, find yourself a little slice, back, never know it's too dry. When you lose yourself, you find the key to paradise. How's it sound? He's paradise over
There's a paradise in the U.S. who just came out by the occupation in the last century. Right now, as we think about this one. This is from Bill Clark.
I almost died!
I was not.
Trey,
I'm gonna fight this way.
I thought he was gonna fall.
Pass it off.
Mother, Mother Ocean, I have heard you call. I wanted to sail upon your waters while I was 3 feet tall. You've seen it all. You've seen it all. Watch the men who load you switch from sails to steam. In your belly you can hold the treasures if you have ever seen. Most of us dream. Most of us dream. Did Joe Walsh just walk up here? What's going on?
Yes.
I thought Joe Walsh was walking up and everybody's looking at him. No. It's too late. And there's no thunder, there's nothing to ponder. I'm an over 40 victim of fate, arriving too late. Arriving too late. I've done a bit of smuggling. I've run my share of grass. I made enough money to buy Miami, but I pissed it away so fast. Never meant to last. Never meant to last. Now I have been drunk now for over 2 weeks. I passed out and I rallied and I sprung a few leaks, but I got some love. I got goldfish in the dam, a rock bottom again, with just a few friends. Woo! You friends no matter how. Go for younger women. I lived with several a while, and though I ran them away, hell, they come back one day, and they still can manage to smile. It just takes a while. It just takes a while. Mother, Mother Ocean, after all the years I found, my occupation has been. My occupation's just not around. I feel like I'm nowhere around. Oh, say Margaritaville, Universal. Come on, Margaritaville.
I'm gonna swing down A1A to Key West then.
Not Key West.
Although I think that's because it was closed.
That would suck.
Cool night.
Could be wrong.
Eagles coming up. Hearts and voices and spirits calling.
Here we go. You're awesome. I got the best seat partner. Woo! Got out of town. Woo! Got out of town on a boat on the Southern Island, on a reef for the Barbary Sea. We were waiting for the train on the outside, on the down to Papa Hippie.
constantly making way. In an organ bar, you knew I was trying to call you. On the midnight rush of your life, like twice you ran away. Think about how many times I had called. Still saw you in me, but your voice is calling. But it never brought you and me, and I forgot. I have been around the world, looking for that woman, girl, who knows love can endure, and you know it will. I think there's land sharks out there. I have my O-Search picture on shark tracking guitar here. I can sense that the land sharks are out there. So, better watch out. Here we go. So, I know we're inland, but these sharks can go anywhere. Let's see where we're live tonight. We're crossing Georgia. We go through Florida.
We're getting Georgia Sharks. Fins up.
We got fins
To the left.
fins to the right.
Feeding frenzy.
Feeding frenzy. Orlando Floridas.
Woo!
Cincinnati, it's on track. I'm looking for some peace and quiet. Most the supersonic again. Lives down by the ocean, taking care of the shark. Hang out around Keypart Hotel and be right after dark. Let your feelings circle. There's a feels going around. You got fans to the left, fans to the right. You're the only thing in town. You got fans to the left, fans to the right. You're the only thing in town. Walks the head side of me. Land sharks have an amazing ability to find the village of Parkville.
Beer.
And the way you take them to a drink. Did you know that? I heard it on the internet. So, if you're willing now, I'll try to guide you to the village. Caroline, come on, help me sing this again. So, anybody wasting away out there? Living on Spanish cake. Oh, I tell you, son, baby.
Don't you hate it when people just stand up? I should probably stand up. But I like looking at the back of people's heads.
Strong in my six string. All the rough boys play. Spend the shrimp in the beginning bar. Wasting away.